Well, we've got a running track around the edge of our playground. We called the Born to Move track because we've got children in wheelchairs as well. So it's not just about running, it's about getting out and being active.
It's really good after lunch. You can just go out and have fun, and you can talk with your friend if they're running with you, or you can run by yourself.
It's well marked, they know how many laps to run around to cover certain distances. We like to promote a healthy lifestyle in school, and it's really central to that and keeping children fit and healthy. It just means absolutely everything. We're getting as I said, we're getting the children out, we're getting them healthy and active, and without that funding, this just wouldn't